don't see any palace.
The palace is something you simply can't see, for it's hidden away in that hole in that tree. To get right inside, we cannot be tall. To get right inside, we need to be...
Small.
Yes! Ah, you're clever. Press the shrink-a-madoodle.
Only bees allowed in the hive.
Only bees are allowed? Oh, this will not do. Here's a job for thing 1 and thing 2. Being bees is a breeze.
See you later, fish.
And I'm staying a fish, okay?
Oh, my favorite cat. The Cat in the Hat. And 2 children in my favorite colors.
Your most gracious Majesty, Queen Priscilla Bazoo. Let me introduce Sally and Nick to you.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, can you tell me the secret ingredient for honey, please?
Oh, it's no secret, dear.
Oh! Now, watch a beekeeper at work. Calm, safe, and sensible. I'm a bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Lower me in. I'm inside. Take me down. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Oh, all this for a jar of honey.
Yes, it's very exciting.
Too far. Up a bit. Now left a bit.
The bees will wake up soon if he doesn't get a move on.
I'm in.
Hey, I made it through alive. You're an unsung hero, Arnold. This is incredible.
There's a zillion bees crawling all over.
Where's the honey? Hello. What does he want me to do?
Actually, it's not a he, Ralphie. All the worker bees in here are she's.
Maybe she wants to be your honey.